Guys, you want to find out how to change your brake pad on any car, watch until the end. Okay, so we're going to be showing you how to change the brake pad in this 2000 Toyota Camry, which has 260,000 miles on it. I'm pretty sure you already heard that in the intro. So my dad doesn't want to give up this car because he said it's imported from London and it's special. So we're going to be showing you how to change the brake pad. So first you have to open up your wheel. So now we're going to be trying to raise the car using a hydraulic jack. You want to loosen it, and you want to loosen it. So now you can still see that the car is still in the air, but we don't have the hydraulic press on it. So now we're gonna actually take out all the bolts. You can see the whole brake system. You see the whole brake system. Make sure not to go under it, because there's always the possibility that it may fall. And I'm sorry if you hear my little brother. We can't get rid of him as it seems. So we're going to be opening this. So here's the rotor, the middle part. So we're gonna open this. So this is the key is 1916. Okay, so there we go. Just keep this in a place where you know where it is, and just find the angle where you have to open it. Yeah, you gotta open it up. So, okay. So, here's the caliper, and here are the brake pads in between, right here. In between here.
Okay, this.
So these are the old brake pads we just took out. So now we're gonna open this up, and we're gonna look at the clips that are right here, and we're gonna take that out. You don't need to change these. It's just that if you think they need to be changed, do what you need. Because if they look like rusty and look like they're about to die, I think that's a really good indicator. So you just want to do that. You want to open it on one side, then press it back in, and that force releases the other side. So we just took out the clips. I have these two brake pads. You can see the difference between the old and new one. You can see the difference in thickness. We're going to be using a disc brakes quiet spray. So the reason we're going to be doing this is because there's this annoying sound that you make, that it makes whenever you don't put it on. So you want to open it. You just want to give it a good shake, and then you just want to open it and make sure it's on this side. I know you guys know better, but don't spray it on this side or you're gonna have a huge problems. You want to spray it on this side and on the sides. You want to spray the clips too. Just shake it a bit more and just spray a generous amount. And now we're going to be coming back in 10 minutes. So in the meanwhile, while the parts dry, we're going to be talking about why we haven't replaced our rotors. And I make a sarcastic tone because this is like 2600,000 miles of rotor here. It's very thin, but do you know how dads are? They're always cheap. And I'm starting to like regret what I said right now because my dad's recording. Okay, so you can see it's rusty. You have that rusty feel, and you can replace your rotor super easy, but that's not a thing we're going to be doing today. All you need to know is how to replace your brake pad. So we're going to open this, and you're going to be seeing the caliper right here. You want to make sure that nothing's leaking. So you're going to be wanting to press it in for counting the new brake pads. So first you're going to want to come up to your hood, and you want to open this over here, the brake fluid. So you just want to open it. Put it upside down in your battery so it doesn't go anywhere, because you don't want any air inside of it. It's gonna cause some problems. So we're gonna go down, and now we're gonna be pushing it in. There's a specific tool to do this, but we do not have that tool. So we're gonna be using a wedge. Let's put the wedge down there, and you're gonna need one of the old brake pads. So you're gonna want to open this. You want to put this over here. Get the brake pad in front of it so you don't you don't make a hole in the middle of it. And you want to tighten it until it's enough. You want to hold it up so it doesn't fall, and then you're gonna have like a calamity at your hands. Unloosen it a bit. Oh god. Well, that works. So unloosen it a bit, and you can see the caliper has been pushed in. So now you can go ahead and you can go back up, and you can see that the brake fluid has rised. So we're gonna be putting in the clips and the new brake pads. So my dad's gonna do it for me because I'm pretty sure I'm not capable of doing it. So we're just gonna be showing him. So we're putting in a clip, the new clips. And you have to put it in until it clicks. Until you hear that little click. Now my dad's doing the other clip. And remember, this spray is very sticky. So until you hear that click, then you'll know it is. And just make sure that it's actually in when you hear the click. Be sure your brake pad doesn't stick to anything, or that may do something. You see how sticky it is? And remember, you do not want any of the spray on the other side.
This side, yeah. No spray on this side.
No spray on this side.
Yeah, spray on this side.
Yeah. You should just put like a generous amount. Putting in the brake pads, because we already put in the clips. And remember, do not put a spray on the on the side that's going to be touching the rotor. That's a no-brainer, and you shouldn't do it. Now we're going to be showing you what happens whenever you put on something on top of it when it's drying. It's just gonna stick. It's just gonna blatantly stick. It's very sticky. It's like super glue, but much more annoying. I recommend you wear gloves during this process. And make sure that the side that's touching the rotor does not have any spray on it. I just want to remind you, because that is absolutely crucial. That is crucial. And remember, we make mistakes. If you did put the spray on the other side, make sure to try to clean it and dry it, and then try again. So before closing it, make sure that everything is pushed in correctly.
So we got to push this one back more.
So we have to push the caliper back in a bit more. So my dad's gonna be doing that.
Yeah, that fluid came out. Go look.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Fluid is leaking.
No, it's not leaking.
It's not leaking and it overflowed. So do we need to take some out?
We'll do it later. But yeah, we'll take some out.
So now we're gonna be putting on we're gonna be putting back the lug nut that we took out. Just use your hands. If you want to do it, make it look professional, just use your tool. But your hand is your own tool. If you want to tighten it, use the tool. Just make sure you don't tighten it too much. See, here's a little trick we learned. The brake fluid overflowed when we pushed in the caliper. So we're gonna have to extract it until the maximum sign you can see on the reservoir. So just get a big syringe, or any syringe for that matter, and put it on top of it. So we're going to be putting on the cap back onto the reservoir. Make sure that it's on correctly. Then we're going to go take the car. Go into the car, annoying beeping sound. Start your car. And press your brake 3 times. 1, 2, 3. After that, just turn off your car. And go ahead and check if it's loose. Check if it's loose. If it is loose, you may have done something wrong, or you didn't do it 3 times correctly. If it isn't loose, you should pat yourself on the back, and you're done for the front one. So now that use the 3 brakes, it's now all tightened. If it's not tightened, you may have done something wrong or you didn't do it 3 times. So after that, you just need to put in your tire and the job is done. The back wheel is completely different, so stick around for that.